Hey, Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the Barnyard series. This is the third car. This is the 1941 Willys Coupe Greaser, or Gasser. Sorry, Gasser. And again, it is the Ultra G, Thunderjet Ultra G chassis, Thunderjet Ultra G chassis with the high-powered magnet on the back, so that keeps your car on the track. So when you pull, give it the throttle, you got great traction. All right, and that comes in your, there's 6 different cars. This is the 1941 Willys Coupe Gasser. And again, these are barn finds with basically, assorted rust or authentic rust looking to them. So they look like rustic, like they've been sitting in some barn forever. Okay, just like the guy find all those cars that were found in that barn in Iowa. I think over 3,000 cars that were just sitting in this field, just rotting away. Unbelievable. Anyways, ProTinkerToys.com.